Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kepada yang terhormat Bapak Ibu dosen penguji ujian kinerja, perkenalkan nama saya Findri Hardianti dengan nomor NIM 240010392615737, mahasiswa PPG Guru Tertentu tahap 2 tahun 2025, program studi pendidikan bahasa Inggris di LPTK Universitas Negeri Surabaya. Pada hari ini saya akan melaksanakan praktik pembelajaran dalam rangka penilaian uji kinerja dengan materi argumentatif teks pada tema Imani, pembelajaran kosakata. Demikian perkenalan saya. Sekian dan terima kasih. Selamat menyaksikan. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Assalamualaikum. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay. Before we start to study, please praying. Okay.
Before study, pray begin.
Okay, now I'm going to check your presents. The first Adinda.
I am here.
Ahdan.
I'm here.
Alicia.
I'm here.
Anissa.
I'm here.
Anissa Nur Cahyani.
I'm here.
Akbil.
I'm here.
Danis.
Here I am.
Dea.
I'm here.
Dewinta.
I'm here.
Dita.
I'm here.
Esa Cahya.
I'm here.
Fahri. There is Fahri. There is information about Fahri.
Have a permission to work school activity.
Okay. Fitria.
I'm here.
Gaizan. Gaizan is the same.
Yeah, this is the same.
Have a permission.
Yeah.
Imam Razan.
Here I am.
Isma.
I'm here.
Kaila.
I'm here.
Keisa. Lifta.
I'm here.
Lulu.
Sick. Is
Lulu
it?
Sik.
Sick.
M Putra. Muhammad Rashid.
I'm here.
Muhammad Widan.
I'm here.
Nadira. Nita.
I'm here.
Nur Zakila.
I'm here.
Raihan.
I'm here.
Raisya.
Have a permission to work activity school.
Rindu. Risa. Risa have a
Have
permission.
to work activity school.
Sheila. Kelvin.
Sick.
Sigit. Shalwa. Tiffany. Yasanurul. Okay, now we are going to sing Indonesia Raya. Okay, students, stand up. Salwa.
Di sanalah aku berdiri
Tanahku hiduplah negeriku, bangsaku, rakyatku semuanya. Bangunlah jiwanya, bangunlah badannya, untuk Indonesia Raya. Indonesia Raya, merdeka, merdeka, tanahku, negeriku yang ku cinta. Indonesia Raya, merdeka, merdeka, hiduplah Indonesia Raya. Indonesia Raya, merdeka, merdeka, tanahku, negeriku yang ku cinta. Indonesia Raya, merdeka, merdeka, hiduplah Indonesia Raya.
Okay, thank you, Salwa. And you can sit down. Okay, to motivate your focus before we start to study, I have an ice breaking for you. Focus, just focus. When I clap my hands, so you need to clap your hands. When I say boom, boom, nah, boom, you need to clap to on the table. Boom. If I say snatch, do you know what is the meaning of snatch? Snatch, merebut. Merebut. Okay, you need to snatch. Adegannya merebut. Snatch. Okay. If I say snatch, you need to snatch the money. So you need to give the pair with your friend. Okay, come on, you need to find out. Come on, find out. Jangan dulu. Nah. Okay, find out the pair of your friend. Okay, the game is, if I say boom, you need to clap your hands on the table. Boom, clap. But if okay, now we are going to start the game. Okay, one. Focus. Boom is clap on the table. Clap and snatch. Okay. Are you ready? Okay. Be ready. Be focused. The first is you need to clap. Boom. Ayo, ada yang salah? Still. Boom. Clap. Boom. 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 Okay. Be ready. The last one. Okay, the last one is the movement. There will be faster and faster. So you need to focus. Clap. Boom. Now. Stay focused. Okay, the last one is snatch. Okay, thank you everyone. Okay, you can sit down.
Sama, aku
Okay, just now we are having an ice breaking about e-money. So before I continue my study, you need to fill the question about e-money. Before that, I need to distribute the question for you. You need to fill. Don't forget to give your name in class. Okay, you have 3 minutes to fill the question. Three minutes to answer the question. Okay, you can collect in the first. The time is up. Okay. How do you feel today? How are you?
I'm so.
So, what do you feel today? What do you feel? Okay, please. What do you feel?
Feeling good.
I'm feeling good because why? What makes you feel good? Because I just kenapa? Kamu baru kenapa?
Baru dapat hadiah
Oh, you can get a prize from the competition. Oh, from your mom. Okay. Give congratulations to your friend. Okay. Next. Anyone? Okay, what's your name? Nurzakila. What do you feel today? You are so sad. Why?
Because I still don't understand of the subject in
About the subject chemistry. Okay. Can anyone give motivation to Nurzakila? It's wrong. You can do it. Okay. Apalagi? You can give another sentence in English to motivate Nurzakila. Never give up. Keep strong. And then? With trust, you can do it. Okay, give applause to you, all of us. And now our subject is about e-money. Okay, children, have you ever used e-money in your daily life? E-money? Yes, I have. If your answer is have, so what kind of transaction that you always do using e-money? GoPay. GoPay is about e-wallet. What kind of transaction? Shopping online. Online shopping usually use e-money. Okay, so this is our subject today is e-money. These are our learning objective. The first one is pronouncing the words correctly, and the second is menghafal. In English is memorizing. The learning objective number 2 is memorizing the 12 words, and the last is you need to fill in the blank text or close procedure text about e-money, and our material is argumentative text. Oke, kita akan mulai. We are going to start As I said that the learning objective number 1 is you need to pronounce the word correctly. The first word is how to pronounce the word?
QR code.
QR code. Okay, you need to repeat after me. QR code. Okay. We can use generate AI. Okay, the first word is QR code.
QR code.
Okay. Repeat. Repeat again. Okay. Didak.
E-wallet. Fumbling. E-payment. E-wallet. Fumbling.
Repeat again.
E-payment. Siphon off. E-commerce platform. Cash-based. 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 Cashless.
How to pronounce this word? Anyone know? And the last word? Okay. Anyone who want to try to use the generate AI? Please, anyone, come here. Your name, come on, come here. Okay, you can click here. The right click. To generate the text, from the text to become a sound, you can click here. Okay, you can click the magic right. The magic right. Click the left click. And then generate AI voice. Who is the characteristic? Carol, Lisa? Lisa. Your friends want to choose Lisa. And generate AI voice. Have already the track here. You can drag to.
Shun.
So how to pronounce? Shun. Ox to sound using AI generate Canva. Okay. What's your name? Isma. Isma, you can. Okay, thank you. Isma. Do you still remember the step? Generate AI. Choose. And then, what is the characteristic that you want to choose after Lisa? Rob.
Lagging.
Lagging. Okay, thank you, Isma. Okay, we are going to start again.
Lagging.
Question, how to pronounce those vocabularies. The first is QR code, and the second is didak. The third is e-wallet, fumbling, e-payment, siphon off, e-commerce platform, and then cash-based, cashless, fundraising. Do you still remember the pictures? Okay, from those pictures, I will apply it a closed procedure text. So before we fill this text, you need to remember the word with explanation. QR code is a machine-readable code consisting of an array of black and white squares. Deduct is subtract or take away amount part from a total. Do you still remember the picture of deduct? Okay. The third is fumbling, doing something awkwardly, especially when using your hands. And then e-payment. Okay. Next, siphon off if to dishonestly take money from an organization or other supply and use it for a purpose. And a commerce platform. The buying and selling of goods and services, or the transmitting of funds or data. And then flinch. Make a quick nervous movement as an instinctive reaction. The ninth word is cash-based. Cash-based is used to describe investment, financial product. Cashless, using or operating with the credit and debit cards and electronic system. Shun is to avoid something, lagging, moving or making progress so slowly that you are behind other people or things. Okay. I have this text to this closed procedure text. Okay, here there is a text that should fill with the correct vocabularies of those 12 vocabularies. Okay, you can read the text. Okay, you can read the text. There are 5 groups here, so I will give you this word. You need to complete this word with the correct number, with the correct fill in the blank in the procedure text here, okay? Each group consists of 2 until 3 words. I don't allow you to open, just close the words. Just close. And last group. Okay? Be ready to attention. I don't allow you to open until I say open the type. Come on, open the type. Open the type and open the type and try to applicate. Up to you. Oh. need to give the correct answer. Okay, here it is your answer.
In bahasa is when they are brought up to use this evaluation. For example, when making the school canteen, they can simply spell easy question. And the third, money can also be stored in an e-wallet. Uang, money can be stored in on one pocket. So you need to answer e-wallet. Making it easy to do easier your payment. For phone credit, online shopping, or even school fees.
Okay, the last, before we finish the study, we need to practice again to remember how to pronounce this word. Anyone who want to try? Okay, what's your name? Okay, Dennis, come here. Okay, give a pronunciation to your friend. How to pronounce this word?
Flinch.
Okay, look at your friend. How to pronounce? Flinch. Okay, flinch. Okay, Dennis, flinch.
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 Okay, thank you, Dennis. Okay, next. Okay, come on. Okay, the next word is how to pronounce? Okay, anyone repeat? QR code. Okay, thank you. Next, come on. Okay, what's your name?
My name is Widan.
Widan, you need to pronounce this word.
Widan.
How to pronounce? Once again?
Widan.
Okay, thank you, Widan. The last one. The last one is, I will try to find, it's a bit difficult. How to pronounce this word? Okay. Anyone who want to try? Siphon off. What's your name? Imam. Okay. Imam, how to pronounce this word? Siphon off. Pronounce again. Siphon off. Okay. Siphon off. Thank you. Okay, from this teaching and learning process about e-money, we can get a conclusion that anyone who want to try to answer? What's your name?
Keisha,
Keisha. What do you think?
e-money vocabularies relate to our daily life.
Okay, e-money vocabulary related to our
Daily
daily life. Our daily life, you can go shopping with those vocabulary list. Okay, thank you everyone.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.